morning, good evening, good afternoon. No. Let's go.
Hi, so now we will work on detailed character with different armor or look. First thing, we need to work on the shape of the characters because it's very important key to make your character unique and stand out, and it's hard to forget characters like SpongeBob, like it's so hard to forget them. Why? Because of this element, because of the shape design and the character of the character, like the personality of the character. If they are matching, hard to forget this character because it's so unique. How we can do that? So we can focus first on the shape of the character. That's what we need to focus on. Like for example, we have square, triangle, and circle. Let's start with circle. Circle shape are always happy and fun. Square are more like strong, serious, but it can be a mix. Like it can be square but in the same time stupid, or circle but in the same time like serious. Okay, but for the triangle, it's I think always dangerous and evil, like always easily it always look serious and strong, evil, you know what I mean? Like always they use it for evil characters. So yeah, but in general this is how a lot of games and cartoons, even movies, use shape for character design, and this is some of them. And you see what type of characters are just from the shape. You can say that this guy is evil, this guy is like fun, this guy is you know what I mean, just from the shape of his face, like the nose, the eyes, and stuff like that. So after we design the general shape of the character, we start to add colors and basic details element like helmet or some armors, maybe the face, like hair, like anything. And keep in mind to work on the feeling of the character, the personality of the character. So for me, I want this character to feel stupid but strong, you know what I mean? Like it's a mix. How I can do that? It's a cliche, but I will give him like some stupid teeth, some like stupid haircut, you know what I mean? Like, like he looks stupid. Of course it's hard to make character look stupid and you make him really good, like Drew very good, his face is really like he has like a nice haircut, he look handsome, like it's hard to make this character stupid and at the same time handsome and everything. And like the best example for that is SpongeBob. Just from his face, this guy is stupid, but in the same time he is honest, you know what I mean? Like it's not just SpongeBob, there is more than characters are using this technique and this element, because it's like a cliche that used in movies, in video games, in everything for years or years. So yeah, the moment you see someone look like that, you can say that this guy is stupid, or you know what I mean, or at least not dangerous, at least. So yeah, this is just a small tip for you to use on your character, because this is very important. After that, we will start to add in details for our character, like the stuff that make this character how they are. Like this guy is a warrior, so he has a really big hammer, so he can use that in a fight or something like that. Yeah, that's what we have here. After that, we can work on the character. Like, okay, now we will change the character. Like we will have the same shape but with different character. Okay, so the first one was like really stupid character, like stupid, like the max of stupidity. I don't know if this word is alright. So yeah, we will give him like a helmet, like a full armor, a helmet, and he will look like a guard. So this guy should be serious, you know what I mean? Like he's on the job, he's on work. He will look serious. When you see this guy, you will not say, okay, this guy is stupid. No, you don't want to deal with this guy. That's what we want to do. So we will give him like a really serious face, you know what I mean? Like straight. We will give him like a really simple details. We don't want to make him even that unique. He's just a guard. So we want him to look serious. He's working right now. That's what we want to make. So we will not play with the face, like give him like stupid face or angry face, just a serious face, because he is working. He's a guard. He's working. We'll give him like the details of the guard. You know what I mean? Like a helmet, like Sparta helmet or something like that. Yeah, that's it. This is how we work. on your character. This is how you make your character stand out and look very, very, very unique. And yeah, so yeah, after we give him all these details, you can see that these characters are different. Even it's the same shape, almost the same shape, the same pose, almost the same pose, but they look very different. And this is how you make really unique characters. But you know, like with character, with personality, yeah, use these elements. And first thing ever, always use references, because references are everything. They will help you a lot. Learn from someone who is better than you, someone who's already did that before you know what I mean. Like, you want to make a game, take references from other games. In the beginning you can copy stuff, no problem, copy and copy, because you will learn. Okay, just don't copy something and use it on your game, because you will not learn anything, and even your game will not stand out. You will not look that's something new, you know what I mean. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Thanks.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.